Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at two different stores. We're looking at big clearance deals, tool deals, Milwaukee. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply from my subscribers and likes, so help with this channel by doing so. Yes guys, all the Ryobi link, it's on clearance. I don't know why. Even the shells are on clearance. So I don't know if it's working for them or not, or if people are complaining or what's happening with these, but these are already in clearance. Guys, we got the the 3/8 impact wrench from DeWalt. We got some more clearance section, more clearance, just different clearance sections that they have here. This is nothing but power tools. Alright, so you got this 4-tool combo kit Ryobi. These are HP tools. These are brushless, the newer ones, $269 for the 4-tool combo kit. And then you got the 3-battery combo deal for $199. I believe they're still doing this, but they're already hitting the clearance section, so be on the lookout for lower prices. Hopefully we can get a nice hack or deal. We know what those clearance prices. Got the jigsaw there for $69. You got the angle grinder for $59.97. You got the brushless angle grinder HP for $129. And guys, remember to double check your prices with your associates. Sometimes they drop even lower than this at these clearance sections. You got the drywall screw gun, $169. So yeah, lots of good deals. You got the rotary tool. You got the brushed rotary tool, $49.97. Then you got the HP kit, as you guys do see there. You got the fan there, Milwaukee M12 fan, $79. Already a yellow tag, so they're clearancing these out. I'm pretty sure these are going to drop even lower than that on some stores. So you got the job site vac for $199. You got the fuel super saw for $249. Again, double check those prices. They have 3 of them here, so chances are these are going to start dropping. I don't think the people are going to buy them at this price. And you got the drywall screw gun there, the XSF03Z. Alright, so you got the Coil roofing nailers, the 1 3/4 from Makita, $199. Alright, you got some gloves there at the bottom, $249 for the 1/2 inch high impact wrench from Ridgid. This is one of the newer ones. You got the right angle drill, the 3/8 drill for $139. And then you got a hammer drill here to the left for $70, down from $139. It's a 1/2 inch hammer drill. Alright, so you got some more Ryobi stuff, $99 impact driver drill driver. And then you got some drill bit, a 30-piece drill bit there. That's the same tool combo kit that we saw. Some drill bits there for $397, down from $647, so a pretty good deal on these. Like I said, I personally haven't tried these, but I do have a set here which I will try. But it seems to be pretty decent. You got some nut drivers there, magnetic sleeve, so flathead driver, and some square Robertsons, some stars. So definitely check it out. 20-piece set for $397, down from $647, so not too bad. Half price there, about half price. There's the new Ryobi link right there, the shelf for the power tools. It's already in clearance section, so it's down to $49.97. You got the gloves there. I believe these are Husky. Yes, Husky. $12.06, down from $14.98. These are medium. And then you got some more packs there. The everyday tasks, yard care stuff. $4.96, down from $6.47. And then that's the hanging shelf, the Ryobi link hanging shelf for $49. You got some knee pads there. Some really nice knee pads, 2-year limited warranty. Some heavy duty knee pads there for $34.97. So quite a bit, a lot of stuff there. Then you got this shop vac. I don't know if this is the one that's on clearance, but it was right there. This is Ridgid 22 Pro Organizer, $19.98. And you got this 36 Max Fit. Yes, this bag, guys. The right angle adapter from DeWalt with that 36-piece kit. It's back. Make sure you guys pick one of these up. That right angle tool by itself, it's $20 something. So definitely check this one out. You're basically getting the bits for free. That's a good deal. $24.88 for the 3-piece tool bag combo. So you got the big bag there, and then you got the medium and the smaller. That's the way it looks on the inside, and then you got the medium and small there for just smaller tasks. If you guys got different, you know, your plumbing kit, electrician's kit. 27 gallon, 200 psi, 357 down from 547 from Husky. So this is pretty interesting. These things are dropping. You got a belt sander. That's a 3x18. Belt sander, $98 down from $139. You got a vacuum with vacuum accessories, $35. Not a vacuum, but it's accessories. You got a Coil sheet sander, $70 down from $99. Bridget. Alright, you got this one. This one's an Octane Grinder, $91 down from $129. Got a compact bandsaw for $140 down from $199. Alright, you got an Octane 7¼ inch circular saw. That's it right there. So $119 for that. You got all kinds of Bridget clearance. Yeah, that's the bandsaw there. Just want to show you guys what that looks like. It's a really nice tool. So if you're on the line, you're doing plumbing, a lot of plumbing, this is the tool for you. You got the angle grinder for $104. Obviously different price. You want to price match the lowest price. Got the area light there for Ryobi, $18 down from $34.97. I did not see any of this. They're still running these deals. You buy one get one free. So you buy any of the ones on the top, you get any of the tools at the bottom for free. So they're still running that. And they got this one. This one's 18 bolts, 8-piece combo kit. It's a great deal. Lots of tools here for $3.99. Great brand, Makita. Then they got these. Actually, not those. It's the auto inverter. So that's the Ryobi inverter for $49. Alright, they're still running the Ryobi Link 3-box combo for $149. And then if you buy that $199 kit, you get that free Ryobi Link box there. Alright, so we're up to the second store. We already covered everything that was important at the first store. Alright guys, if you guys see a box like this, all beat up, all kicked, broken, whatever, make sure you guys take it to the customer service. Get yourself a nice discount on that box. Alright, so you got a chainsaw here for $199 down from $219. It's a 40-volt chainsaw. Got some more knee pads, just like the ones on the other store. $34.97. It's pretty nice knee pads. Alright, you got $14 down from $14.97. Remember guys, keep an eye out on all these. Make sure you guys, you know, walk into your clearance section. Make sure you guys are interested in an item. Make sure you guys double check the price. You got A98. Alright, 23-gauge pin nailer for $117 down from $129. There's a rigid 23-gauge. Alright, you got a vacuum here. This is the vacuum kit. Down, it's a 4.7 gallon wet and dry vac, $75 down from $79. You got an XR drill and impact driver kit, $229 from $299. Guys, we got some Milwaukees. Yes, guys. Alright, so 25% off, down from $269 to $201. Circular saw rear handle. You got the whole hog here, 25% off, down from $299 to $224. That's a pretty good deal on that one if you're looking for that. Maybe you guys could get a price match at your store. Who knows? Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Keith Chuck reverse drill. Is it like an air drill there? Husky 3/8. They're still running this promo. So $99 your battery. Get yourself a free tool. Same thing with the other promos. I'm not going to go over all those because we already went over it on the other. Yes, guys, Bosch $3.99 sliding miter saw. It's an 8.5, which is weird because this is a weird miter saw. I'm pretty sure you can fit like a 7.25 circular saw blade or something, or miter saw blade. But yeah, guys, Bosch 8.5. Very interesting how they designed the saw there. You got a nice cooler from Bridget. It is compatible with their you know, with their modular system. So definitely check this one out. This looks really nice. Like I said, it is compatible with the modular system, so you can $69.88 for the 27 quart cold box. So, and then they got the 2-pack of 7¼ 24 tooth framing saw blades, $5.97. Killer deal on this one. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.